How to show complementary products to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to achieve this step by step. Basically, you will have a product, the main one, and then down below it's just going to show you a bunch of products which are complementary that could go well with the first product. So let's just go ahead and dive deep into how to actually get this done. First, you'll need to just go ahead and open up the apps section from the bottom left and just go to all recommended apps. And we are going to be searching for a specific one. And I already actually see it, so no need to go for the Shopify App Store, which is basically Shopify Search and Discovery. So just go ahead and search for it if you don't see it and click on it. And then from here, you basically want to install it real quick. And once this is installed, basically we can just go ahead and start the setup process. So we can just go ahead and exit out of those because we don't need them. Now, next step is actually skip the app. Just go to online store and go to customize because we need to add the block for it first. Otherwise, it's not going to actually show. And we want to basically go to our default product page. And then from here, you will need to add this complementary products section or block. If you don't see it, where you actually shouldn't see it because I already added before. But just go ahead and add block from the template and you will scroll down a little bit and you will find complementary products. So just go and click on that and you'll be able to basically see it. And you also have more options here if you want to set them up accordingly. I'm just going to leave it as it is for the time being and click on save on the top right, and we can just go ahead and exit out of here. Still, you don't see anything yet because we did not add any products yet as complementary. So now we can just go back to apps, click on search and discovery, click on it again because it did not open. And then basically we wanted to set it up. So here is going to be the main page where it doesn't really matter to us. You want to go to this recommendations tab from search and discovery. So just go ahead and click on recommendations on the left. And then from here, basically you'll find a list of all the products that you already have. So feel free to pick any of them and then you can just go ahead and set it up. Or you can just go to add recommendations from the top right, which is pretty much going to be the same thing. Either way, I'm just going to open up the purple one, for example. And then let's say I want to add complementary items to the product purple. So you want to open up the product purple, like I said, and then from here you will find edit complementary products. And there's also related products, which is not our discussion for today, but anyways, it's there if you want to actually do so. But here you would want to basically click on browse under the edit complementary products and add all the complementary products that you want to add. And it should be just added here for us. And we can just go ahead and click on save from the top. And we are pretty much set for this product. So let's just go back to our online store and actually view how it looks like. So if we just go to online store, go to purple, let's just go ahead and remove the items from cart because that's going to affect us here. Again, let's just go ahead and view it and click on purple and you will see pairs well with, and you will find orange, red, and your products that you actually choose. Now, this is pretty much all there is to it. If you want to set it up for a different product, just go back and click on another one and add the complementary products that you actually want. So purple and red for this instance. Click on add and you're pretty much set. Click on save. And that's all for today. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and thanks for watching.